Only dry leaf na will shed ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Shed ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ shredded leaf na ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು it comes out powder, smaller final form of the same, which reduces. I think somebody hasn't planned this problem. No, this ultimately we still have to sweep it. It's a large volume thing. No. So why don't we have one of those trays or something? Probably we'll do that. Yeah. We'll just collect that. You can just do it. No. Just dump it and increase the more. See. There's both for the dry leaves as well as the garden.
So everything it is even for the chow trees and whatever the chow tree waste. So everything.
He's a professor from Tumkur Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. Actually, Rajiv Chandrasekhar. We have, as you know, we publish a community newsletter which is called Zeitgeist. The issue for January 2013 has just come out from the printers just today. So it is my duty to request Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar to release the issue and Shri Ramalinga Reddy to receive the first copy on behalf of the residents of Koramangala. Please. It is my It is my pleasure and privilege to introduce our very own Shri Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Rajiv is here actually wearing 4 different hats. The first hat is, of course, as a resident of Koramangala 3rd Block and a member of Koramangala 3rd Block Residents Welfare Association. Number 2, he is here in his capacity as Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Number 3, he is here as a leader of several organizations including Nama Bengaluru Foundation, Abide, etc. And number 4, he is here, last but not the least, as a person who has made a very, very good, substantial contribution towards building this police chowki, for which the community will be eternally grateful. Thank you very much, sir. I would request Rajiv to please say a few words. You can speak from there also.
Thank you. MLA Ramalinga Reddy, DNP Joint Commissioner Trilok Chandra, Srimati Kokila Radhakrishna, Srimati Saroja, Professor Ramaswamy, Nitin, and my dear friends. We all know Koramangala, like many other neighborhoods in Bangalore, has a long history of being a residential area with large green cover, abundant open spaces. Most importantly, being a perfect residential area for families, children, senior citizens to live peacefully and safely. Unfortunately, over the last few years, and we will not go into when it started and when it will end, rampant commercial activities without the required safeguards and ill-conceived infrastructure plans and projects have caused this what was a very beautiful neighborhood to become chaotic with all of its attendant problems, including law and order and safety. So I am actually very delighted to know about and support the efforts of the Koramangala Third Block RWA in making an effort to keep Koramangala secure and clean. Because that is what our objective is, to keep Koramangala and indeed Bangalore secure and clean. And what is particularly noteworthy about this effort, unlike many other efforts, and I hope the Joint Commissioner takes note of this and all of the government agencies take note of this. What is particularly noteworthy is that the residents have collaborated with the BBMP, with the police and the elected representatives to create what they want for themselves. And so therefore I congratulate the Koramangala Third Block RWA for planning and executing these initiatives, the inauguration of the police chowki and the relief shelter, but doing so in a model which will serve as a model for citizen government engagement, contributing to keeping this neighborhood safe and clean, working together with the government, which I believe is the way that city government and city government reforms must progress in the future. This, along with other initiatives like working with the PDA for the Netripalya Lake, with the BBMP for improving the transportation infrastructure planning around Koramangala area, make the Koramangala residents' efforts a good example, I believe, and I am biased obviously because I am from Koramangala, good example for other RWAs and city government agencies and elected representatives to emulate. In a few months, we will be electing a new government, new MLAs, new assembly, and therefore it is very clear our city needs a new approach to governance. The big idea for governance is a proper, deep partnership with residents through RWAs. For too long, the administrative and political leadership has resisted this, but this change has come. It will come, despite whoever resists it. Ideas like community policing are the only way to create safe and orderly neighborhoods and communities. That is a fact. The partnership between residents and government agencies like police is the only way we can meet the aspirations of residents and neighborhoods. That is a fact. The police chowki here is a good example of creating a platform for such an initiative. Residents also have a responsibility, and that is, I think, what Koramangala Third Block RWA is demonstrating, that residents have a responsibility in this model to be good, active partners with government agencies to safeguard and properly develop their communities. So, for example, as a responsible community, you have come together to do your bit in resolving the garbage problem instead of just complaining and criticizing the problem. So Koramangala has been a pioneer in solid waste segregation for almost 2 years now. And I'm told more than 90% of the block segregates waste, wet and dry waste separately. So this leaf shredder unit that will convert leaf and garden litter into compost is another flag to demonstrate neighborhood initiatives and people participation in the governance of the city. Let me end by congratulating the Koramangala Third Block RWA, the BBMP, the police department, our MLA, our corporators, and most importantly, all the residents for coming together and working on our problems that we all face. May your tribe increase. Let the Koramangala public government collaboration serve as a model for the rest of the city and restore Bangalore history of the city of responsible and clean and safe neighborhoods. Let me take this opportunity to heartily congratulate Sri Nanjundaya, Sub-Inspector serving in the Koramangala Police Station, on receiving the President's Award for Meritorious Service. He is one more from many others in the Bangalore Police who silently toil to keep our city safe. I welcome the Koramangala Third Block RWA's initiative in making his success and achievement ours as well, and being proud of his service to Koramangala, to our city and to our state. I end by encouraging the residents to take their engagement to the next level, work with the BBMP DDA and other government agencies for a master plan for Koramangala. I will be more than happy to extend my support for this initiative. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.